Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing this Wagner steamer. I honestly don't know anything about this thing except for the things that I saw on YouTube, the reviews, and as you guys know, I'm getting a lot into detailing now. I have a lot of people hitting me up that want their cars or semi-trucks detailed. I will also be pressure washing homes in the summer and all that other stuff. Fences, decks, whatever you guys need. So, but for this product, I bought it mainly to clean interiors of cars because I know there's some stuff that I can't get out by hand, and I think this will make my life easier when it comes to detailing. Right now, I don't know what's in there. Obviously, it tells me what's in there, but you know, this is the first time that I put my hands on it. Okay, let's open it. Abrimos. Don't mind my booty shorts, guys.
Booty shorts.
You nosy. You're like somebody from work.
Oh my god.
Wow!
Wow.
Mommy.
This thing is huge. Okay, so right off the bat, we got the steamer right here. It's not so small, but it's not so big. It's probably the right size. You know, it's gonna be convenient to move around with it when I detail cars. I'm gonna do this really quick because Sophia will not let me do anything. But I'm gonna show you the different nozzles that come with it. So let me do this. Let me help you. You are gonna make things a lot harder for me. These are some long nozzles, so I don't know how they work, but we'll figure it out. You guys see this big old brush? Now I have heard that this thing is convenient for also house or home use. You can use it to clean bathtubs, sinks, remove some wallpaper from your walls, and of course detailing cars inside, especially the cloth seats. This is, I guess this is like for the water, what do you call this, like a cylinder? What do you call this? I don't know.
Not a cylinder. A cylinder's a shape.
It's not a cylinder.
A cylinder's a shape.
I forgot. Well, the point is, this is for the water because this is obviously used with water. This is what I'm going to be using the most. Take a look at it. This is the thin or sharp
No
nozzle.
sucker.
No, this is not a sucker.
I'm
This
just
is a
kidding.
blower. It blows steam. This is not a freak leg.
He said it's not a sucker, it's a blower.
Yeah, it's a blower. It's a plug on the name. Yeah, this is gonna be my go-to every time I detail cars from now on. Once I get good at it. So to this, but this cost me $130 on Amazon, and I will put the link in the description below so you guys can also purchase it if you want to. But this is just the unboxing. I'm gonna put it to the test tomorrow. Basically, I just want to show you guys what comes with this product and how it works. I will show you guys tomorrow. But yeah, so we have. Sure. I know that you can put these together. They just clip in, see, and it makes a long tube for you to steam. You know, like if you need a shower, for example, for the shower. Bathtubs or whatever, you know, that way you're not so close to it. You can kind of be far away from it. For example, this one
For
looks
short
like
people that can't reach.
Yeah, and for short people that can't reach. For example, this one would be for like the shower. I'm assuming.
That's for a window.
No, not a window. I would say.
Yeah, it is for a window.
No.
That's what they use
Probably
to
for the
clean windows.
wallpaper, because for the wall, I would say that. And oh, this is for the shower, I think. I don't know. The point is, I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna experience this as I go. I don't know what the heck it does right now, but I actually ordered this 2 days ago, and I thought it was gonna take longer, but it came here in 2 days, so that was very convenient, and I'm gonna put this to use tomorrow. So yeah, I am completely satisfied with the product. Like I said, you guys, obviously I'm not putting it to use right now, but oh, I didn't even know this. So here's the gun looking thing. This is where you're gonna put this in like this, and then this is where you're gonna be pressing to make that steam come out. I like it. I'm happy with the product. I'm happy it came on time, but I don't know how it's gonna work. So stay tuned for that. And oh, before I leave, guys, I want to know one thing. I want to know you guys' honest opinions. Should I make a new YouTube channel specifically for detailing? Because as you guys know, I haven't been posting a lot of vlogs lately because I've been busy. Every day after work, I got a car or a semi to clean, so I haven't had time to go out and vlog with Sophia. Plus, the weather has been ugly. We've been sick, so I know summer's coming up, and I don't know if you guys want to see more family vlogs like I've been doing, or you guys want to see more of what I do outside of my job, which is my side job now, which is detailing. I think right now I'm leaning towards making a new channel specifically for how to do this, how to do that on detailing, or just detailing stuff. But because I don't know if I should mix it in with my channel right now. I just don't know. I want you guys' honest opinion. Should I start a new one? Should I keep the same one and just keep doing this? Guys, but I got the steamer ready to go now. We'll see how this works. Alright guys, you guys see how dirty that is? I'm gonna spray some super clean. And let it dry a little bit. Alright, let's go. Looks a lot better already. Wow, look at that, guys. Y'all remember how dirty it was? At least it looked like that. Look. Look at that, guys. Look at the difference. Night and day difference. Alright guys, pay attention to the passenger seat. When I'm done using the steamer, I'll show the results. Big difference, right? Let's knock out that one right there. What's up? Alright guys, so like I mentioned yesterday, you guys saw me review and unbox the Wagner steamer, and I actually got to put it to use today on my brother's car. The results were amazing. I'm completely satisfied with the product. Would definitely recommend it for anybody. And I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you guys can purchase it if you guys want it. It's definitely one of the best investments that I've made so far for the detailing business. So yeah, I was only able to clean the carpet. I wasn't really able to clean mats or anything. I did clean some of the plastic stuff on the side of the seats, and that worked perfectly fine. I had no issues with it at all. And let's see, I detailed 2 cars today, in and out, but I was running out of time, so I didn't really record anything except for like the before and after, and I got some pictures. Overall, it's been a pretty busy day, and I have like 2 or 3 tomorrow to detail. The whole week I'm booked basically, but that's good, you know. At least shows I'm doing something right, Steven?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm more than blessed to, you know, have people coming back to me for a detail. I'm gonna be putting some videos of the before and after of some of the cars that I detailed that I haven't put on video, because a lot of times when I detail, it's right after work and I don't have time to be recording and detailing at the same time, because then I'll run out of time and sunlight, and then I'm left with literally nothing to work with. So I have to rush and get things done, because the most important thing is to get the job done, not to be on my phone or on my camera recording. But it's also important, that way I can show you guys what I can do here at home or mobile. I can go to you guys if you guys need a detail. It's all good. I got everything I need so far. And yeah, I haven't even had a chance to go get a haircut, go get my eyebrows done, go do anything, because I've been so busy. And I'm not busy right now, I'm done and I can go, but right now I'm so tired that I'm probably just gonna go out to eat with my family, and that's about it. I mean, I really don't have any plans for today. Tomorrow I gotta start really early. I gotta wake up at 8 in the morning and start detailing, and then I got another one at 3 p.m. And then if I get done with those 2 before 5 p.m., I'm probably gonna knock out another one. That way I'm ahead, because I have basically the whole week booked, which is a blessing. So yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what you guys think about the details that I do here at home or wherever I go. Let's see. But yeah, you gonna sing? All right, sing something. Okay, nice. Other than that, though, that's basically it for today. It's time to go eat, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. With this video, actually, not the video. Just give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and God bless all you guys. And I'm so tired, and it's time for me to go eat. So that is it for today, folks. And this chair, one thing before I leave, this chair was like, it's all, man, I've been making some smart investments lately, but this chair, definitely one of the best investments that I made. It's like 20 bucks. I got it at Harbor Freight. Normally they go for 63, but I got it on a deal for $21, and this thing has made my life so much easier when it comes to detailing, because look, if there's a car right here, for example, when I do the waxing, after I wash it, get it out of the sunlight, I bring it in the garage, and I start waxing here. But look, I can move it right along like this. It makes my life so much easier, instead of being basically on my knees the whole time, or getting really low.
You just dropped your phone.
Oh well, it's ugly. So yeah, this right here, this nice.